Hello friend, today I am going to explain the silver nitrate test. Today I am going to explain silver nitrate test. Silver nitrate test. Silver nitrate test. Okay. How to do the silver nitrate test, that we have to understand. This is also the confirmatory test for the chloride ion. In this case, what you have to do, take a little salt solution, little salt solution, little salt solution means salt plus distilled water, distilled water, salt plus distilled water, and add HNO3. Okay, HNO3. This is dilute. Okay, dilute means table reagent, table reagent, or that is also called rack reagent. And then add silver nitrate solution, and then silver nitrate solution. Okay, if you are doing this, what you will observe, if you are doing these things, what you will observe? Okay, so first of all, what you will observe here, a curdy white precipitate will form. A curdy white precipitate, a curdy white precipitate will form. Okay, which is soluble in NH4OH, which is soluble in NH4OH. And what it will do, it will, if the curdy white precipitate will form, then what is the chloride ion? Chloride ion is confirmed. So this is what, that is the silver nitrate test. Okay, so in the silver nitrate test, nothing we have to do. Only what we have to do, we'll take the salt solution, then we add the dilute HNO3, then add the silver nitrate solution. This is the silver nitrate solution is the standard solution. Okay, standard solution of AgNO3. Okay, then you will get the curdy white precipitate form, which is soluble in NH4OH. It means the chloride ion is confirmed. Thank you so much for watching, friend.